What's going on, YouTube? Day 5, night 5, however you want to look at it. We are out here for a short amount of time because guess what? Life is busy. We've got a good old Savinelli. We're going to get started on the wall. Now, tonight, what we're actually going to be working on is a little bit different. We're going to be working on the back of the walls a little bit. Then we're going to plan the very back wall, as well as wherever my hand goes, there it is. Maybe get a little bit of this back middle done after we move that back stuff in here. Now, it has been snowing and raining for 2 days here in the mountains, so all of this is going to be wet, disgusting, and it's flipping cold. But you know what? We're not gonna let that stop progress, so we're gonna get after it. We'll see you in a second. But first, gear check. Now, if you know anything about us at Forest Dweller, you'll know that I am a huge gear nerd. So you'll see that in a lot of our posts, a lot of our videos and other things. So we'll start off, got a Savinelli one. You guys have seen this before. Pipe cap and some Westminster, some GLP Westminster from 2018. Nice and aged, kind of dry. Good friend gave it to me. I probably should rehydrate it, but you know what? I'm too lazy. Alan Payne. And we got the fanny. This is a North Face fanny pack. Retrofitted. You can go ahead and see on our posts what is in here, but how I've done that. But we got a HK BP9SK with a TLR7 and Spicy Boys in there with the extended mag. It's not that extended, don't get your hopes up, but it is a good little setup and we don't mind it. Beyond that, it's just going to be a lot of rigid tools and, you know, some screws. So I'm going to try and show you guys a little more of what I'm doing tonight rather than just me doing it. We'll see how it goes. Let's get after it. All right, so here's what we're doing. We ended up doing these boards 2 or 3 thick so that we would have some good backing to keep the dirt in, and that's going to be good. Now, what we're also going to do is we're going to put these on the inside here to keep the dirt from pushing these out, one, and also to provide some more relative permanent backing on the back here, because this is obviously not going to be accessible afterwards. So we've got one here. We'll probably do another one higher. Similarly, we've got one here, and then we've got this over here. So we'll enclose this so that it's in a better spot and able to do the things that it needs to, like keep dirt in. We're gonna get these screwed in. We're gonna get this moved in here as a base, and then we're going to get this back filled in with probably similar plywood, a couple thick, and then boards up so that we can do, it'll be less perfect, but some of these boards will end up back there. And I know we need 21 in the middle up here to keep this consistent look. So we are getting there. Man, it's just a process. All right, so here we go. We have got one piece in the back. I'm not gonna worry about putting more than one piece here because it really just needs to hold the dirt in, and not too worried about it. I'd like a little bit more backing back here. So this is all set. We've got this side one, and we'll come back over here. I got side 2 set up. So all I've done is just put some from a barn that I have, some old particle board essentially, and gone ahead and screwed it up, kind of like over here. But this is just really to keep the dirt in as we put it in here in the next few weeks. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a less than fun part. We're gonna start in on bringing some of this out so that we get a little base, we buy ourselves a little room, and more specifically, we end up with enough dirt because no one's gonna be shooting the bottom couple inches. We're gonna get that in there. It will degrade over time, but we got time. So let's go ahead and do this. We are smoking my classic Bones. I love this thing. It's a Morgan Bones pipe. There's that logo. It's great. It's a good old sitter, and I really, really like it. In here is some Sutliff. It's a Balkan blend. Forget which one it is. There's a bunch of them, but it's Balkan. Quite good. Could use some age, but it's not too shabby. So let's get that in there. All right, status update. All this brush that's behind here is going in here. It's gonna go back to that mark right about there. And the reason is because it will compact as soon as we put dirt on it quite a bit. So this is gonna be just the absolute base. Again, I'm trying to do this for under $200 with dirt given to us and everything else sourced on the property. So you know, we're getting there. Haven't done anything on that side, but have been taking this beautiful machine here and putting everything in there. So we're gonna keep going, hopefully finish this side tonight, and then go sleep and get after it as soon as we can. Here we go. All right, well, here we are. We're gonna end night 5, day 5 down here. From the front, doesn't really look like much happened, but we're gonna flip it around and I'm gonna show you what we've all done, what I've all done, and we'll go from there. So we've got our front sides that have now been reinforced in the back to keep all the dirt in, and there's gonna be dirt, tires, potentially some more wood in here, but most specifically, we've got a good bit of brush down here. This is all forest organic beautifulness. This is all, well, not even all. It's literally the clippings from my front yard, so to speak, because these trees just absolutely shed all of the time. So this will compact quite a bit down the second we put dirt on it. As well, it will compact over time. So we'll have to add dirt in the future to the entire thing. It's a good start to give us some headway with the dirt that we have. Now, this is only to right there. So I come around the back, hop over this mound, and here you go. So this side is, you know, about 2/3 of the way from behind is in here. So we're gonna finish this up, then we're gonna fill this side, which has also been reinforced in the back. And what'll happen now is we'll do the same thing over here, get that in place. We will build the front here with these boards, as you can see, and then we will backfill everything, and we'll probably build the half, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in our Kubota and we're gonna go ahead and dump all the dirt directly into the middle there, and then push it to the sides, and then also from the sides push it to the middle. So it's going to be an effort to hopefully bring the boys in on, but we're getting there, and we're continuing along. Hopefully we'll get it done here in under probably, I think we can do it in under 2 weeks technically, which it's between, you know, 2 and 4 hours each time. So, you know, for under $200, using what we have, this is pretty awesome. Ending gear check. Really the only thing to mention is we got a Melly from good old Fall Raven and some liquid encouragement. This is some tin cup whiskey, there's their standard bourbon, and this is a pewter vessel that I picked up in England. I forget the company, but quite nice, really like it. Very traditional and very cool. Unfortunately, it's got that little sticker thing there, but that's all good. We're finishing our pipe and we're gonna call it a night. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Continuing to build this range. Forest Dweller out.